Morphle can morph into anything I want.
Good morning! Don't you just love camping in the woods?
Morphle, hungry!
Here you go. I've baked you some bread over the fire.
Wow! Gimme!
Are you ready to go on an adventure in the woods?
Yeah! Oh, look! Look, Daddy! I think the squirrel baby is too afraid to jump over the moat.
I'm sure we can help it a bit by building a little bridge.
Yeah, let's see. Morphle, morph into a robot and put that tree over the moat.
Great job, Morphle. Now we can safely cross as well.
Morphle, hungry again.
Well, the forest is full of berries you can eat, like blackberries and raspberries. And I think I see some over there.
Yeah! These are delicious.
And nutritious. But let's head back to camp for a real meal. Do you see that bright star in the sky? That's the pole star. It always stays in the same place in the sky and guides us north.
Wow, that's really cool.
It sure is. But let's hit the sack, you guys. It's getting pretty late.
Did you hear that, Morphle? What do you think it is? Monster Big! Don't be such a scaredy cat, Morphle. I'm sure there are no monsters in these woods. Come, I'll show you. What's so scary? There's nothing to fear here, Morphle. See, Morphle, just a tree and a bird. Let's go back to the camp. But which way is it? Morphle, hungry! We can find berries, just like Daddy showed us. These are raspberries. They're safe to eat, Morphle. Gimme! Okay, what more did Daddy teach us? Stars! Yes, Morphle. Daddy showed us the pole star. Morph into a helicopter. Over there, Morphle, the pole star. Let's fly that way. That's Daddy!
Mila, Morphle, where were you? I was worried sick.
We're sorry, Daddy. We got lost. But we found our way back because of what you taught us.
You did? That's wonderful. Do you want something to eat? You must be hungry after your adventure.
Yeah! Bread with the marshmallow and the berry.
Now that sounds like a Morphle sandwich.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. Hi, Shelly. Do you want to play with me? Yeah, we do. Morphle, morph into a submarine. I want you to meet a friend of mine. This is Chipper. Hi, Chipper. Morph into a dolphin, too. Oh, no! It's the sea monster! Quickly hide! Phew! And this is my friend Jam. Hi, Jam. Look! Whee! Wow! And here's Jam's mommy. This is so much fun! Look! It's the sea monster again! Hide! Let's build the tower! We're up so high! We did it! Woohoo!
Look, Maurice. It's a real mermaid.
Let's catch it.
Oh no! It's the pirates!
We'll catch you, mermaid. Oh no! That's not a mermaid.
No, it's a red submarine.
Morphle! Morph into... Oh no! It's the sea monster again!
What is that?
The sea monster is helping us! Wow! Morphle! Thank you for helping us! You weren't scary at all. Do you want to play with us?
It's done. With my new invisibility ray, I can finally tidy up this place. The lab has never looked better. Oh! Did you hear that, Yorn?
Yeah, I always wanted to be sneaky invisible.
Let's get out of here. Now, let's see.
Oh, now do me, do me.
Help! Ghost took my camera!
What's wrong, mister?
Ghosts, I tell you. Ghosts. They took my camera and went that way.
Morphle no like ghost.
Don't worry, I'll protect you. Morph into a race car.
Hello, Police Officer Freeze.
Hello, Mr. Mayor. Huh? Hand it back over, Mr. Mayor. That's not a toy.
But I did not take it.
Yeah, right. The wind probably did it. This is pretty funny. Take a picture of them, Bjorn.
Yeah.
Hey, what's going on here? Ah! Ghosts are eating my apples! What's going on here? What's the matter? Are you scared? Well, no.
Ghosts!
Look, Morphle, the camera.
Hey there, little guy.
Leave him alone.
Oh!
Hey, that doesn't sound like a ghost to me.
Uh-oh. Let's get out of here, Yorn.
Yorn, huh? I think I know who these so-called ghosts are, Morphle.
Are you okay, Mila and Morphle?
Yes, thank you, Officer Freeze. But we could use some help catching these ghosts.
Oh no! Morphle lost Mila!
Looks like he's all alone now. Let's scare him some more. We're back, little guy.
Jump, Morphle!
There you are. And I've also got something else for you. Here,
I don't see anything.
it's your ticket to jail. But it's invisible.
Morphle, morph into a vacation home. Oh, I can't wait to start our vacation.
Ah, yes. 2 weeks of relaxing and reading. Do we have everything?
Misa action!
Oh, right, toys.
Do you really want to take all that stuff?
You never know when you're going to need it. Shall we go?
Aye, Captain Mila. All aboard. Lift off! Well, Captain Mila, where do you want to spend our vacation?
How about the jungle? Yay! Come, Morphle, let's play together with this ball.
Oh, that must be my stomach. I must be getting hungry. Ah! A tiger!
Oh no! Morphle, morph back into into a house.
Well, the jungle seems a little dangerous, Captain Mila. We need a different location.
How about the desert? It doesn't have tigers, and the weather is nice.
Phew, Mila, I think the desert is a little too warm.
You're right. We need to go somewhere to cool off. Morphle, morph back into a house.
The North Pole?
No tigers, and it's not too warm outside.
Yes, but it's really cold and slippery. Whoa!
Oh no! We have to save him, Morphle!
Thanks, Morphle.
Okay, I have one more location I want to try, but it's going to be a surprise.
All right, Captain Mila. Let's go. Hey, this is the beach close to home.
Yes, it is. No tigers, not too hot, and not too cold. It's perfect.
Welcome, everyone, to our annual building battle. The team who builds the biggest tower wins this trophy.
But we can't have it falling down and hurting someone. So, make sure your tower is as stable as a house. Did you hear that, Yorn? The winner of this building battle gets that shiny trophy.
Let's join, Stein. We'll be the winners for sure. Yeah. Ready, set.
Oh, no. I mean, go.
Morphle, morph into a helicopter.
Wow, your tower is already so tall.
Thank you, Sarah.
Oh no, Stein. The other towers are way higher than our tower.
I have an idea. Follow me. The professor always has all kinds of gadgets. I'm sure he must have something like... Aha! A growth ray.
What does it do, Stein?
Take a wild guess.
Okay, I get it. Please make me small again.
Now, let's use this on our tower.
Oh, you're so smart, Stein.
All right, Yorn. Distract everyone so I can use the growth ray.
A distraction? Oh. Hey, everyone! Look over there! A distraction!
Where?
That certainly is a fine distraction.
Oh, wow. That actually worked.
Something smells fishy here.
Well, I think it's clear who the winners are. That's the biggest tower I've ever seen.
Congratulations. Yes! We won something!
Finally! Yeah!
Tumbling test tubes. That's my growth ray. You cheated. You already gave us the trophy.
Yeah! No takesies backsies!
The bigger they are, the harder they fall.
Oh.
Did you see that, Yorn? Mila's dad is holding a barbecue party.
Yeah, and we haven't been invited. Again.
Yeah. Oh, look, Yorn. Over there.
That's Morphle, and no one is keeping an eye on him.
Let's grab him while everyone is distracted. Almost.
Hey, it's the bandits.
Oh, shoot. He's onto us.
Run away! He spotted us so easily.
Yeah. Ah. You just gave me an idea, Yorn.
Oh, I did?
You know what they say. The best way to hide is to hide in plain sight. Follow me, Yorn.
Oh, hello there. I don't seem to recognize you. Do we know each other?
Do we know each other?
Ouch!
You must be joking. Don't you remember us? We're your long-lost brothers. This is Brother, and I'm Big Brother.
Well, I do have a lot of brothers. Enjoy the barbecue, you two. Let me check my family album.
I can't believe that worked.
Now we can catch Morphle.
Yeah. But, where is he?
Oh. Hey, brothers. There you are. I had a question.
A question for, us?
How come you two don't have any pictures in the family album?
That's because we're
We are shy?
very shy.
You don't have to be ashamed of yourselves. You may be looking a bit weird, but you have great beards.
Phew. He bought it.
Yes, let's look for Morphle again.
Wait!
I've got him, Stein.
You did it. Now what do we do?
I don't know. We never got this far. Ah, help me, Stein! I can't hold on much longer.
Oh no!
Ah! Morphle does that all the time. Wait, where are your beards? Wait a minute. You're not my brothers. You're the bandits.
Bandits!
Oh no, what do we do?
I don't know.
You didn't have to dress up like that, bandits. If you wanted to join our barbecue, you could have just asked me. Now, why don't you join us? You hear that, Stein? This is the first time we've been invited to something. Yeah. Do you still want to catch Morphle today?
Nah, let's just enjoy the barbecue.
Whoa! This is great! I'm getting a bit tired as well. Let's have a quick little nap. Whoa! I can fly!
Wow! How?
I don't know, but this is great. Let's play some more tag.
Help!
Uh-oh, let's see what's going on.
Yeah! Oh, a flying girl! My poor Mittens is stuck in the tree. Can you help her? Yeah! Thank you. That's so kind of you.
Thank you, Mila. It's so great you can fly.
Yeah.
Mila and Morphle. Can you help? Barky got stuck on the roof. Great. Thank you, Mila. Your flying power is pretty great.
Hi, Mila and Morphle. I heard you can fly now. Can you help me lift these beams up to the top of this building?
Sure.
Mila no need Morphle.
I can't lift this beam by myself. Morphle, can you help me? Morphle, where are you? Where are you, Morphle? I could fly because of Krav. And without Krav, I will fall. Morphle, help!
Oh no! Morphle, help!
Morphle. But why did you go away?
Mila no more need Morphle.
What? I will always need you, Morphle.